The Lubluelu 3000Pa robot vacuum is a versatile 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo that excels at removing dust and pet hair using a precision microcontrol water pump for efficient cleaning. Equipped with LDS9.0 LiDAR mapping technology, this robot vacuum can adapt to a variety of complex home environments, offering accurate and effective route planning with up to 5 smart mappings. It features a strong suction capability with 3 modes, and when it detects carpet, it automatically increases suction for a deeper clean. The vacuum offers smart app and voice control, letting you monitor cleaning routes, set schedules, create no-go zones, and more using Alexa and Google Assistant. This robotic vacuum provides a 120-minute runtime, enough to clean a large area of up to 100 square meters, and when the battery is low, it automatically returns to the charging dock. With its 22 sensors and 18mm obstacle clearance, the Lubluelu robot vacuum effectively avoids obstacles and prevents falls from stairs or edges.